welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another video. Oh, my hair doesn't want to cooperate with me, just like always. So today I'm gonna be doing the other evil mother of Coraline. So there's a picture right here. So there's tons of pictures. Well, a lot of people recreated this look. So I just wanted to make one too, because why not, you know? So let's get started. So I got the picture right here. We're gonna use that as a reference. We're gonna start off with a base, and that's gonna be white face paint. And I'm gonna be using this one that I picked up from the Halloween store. Yeah, I haven't invested in buying proper makeup because, you know what? I'm trying to save money. And if I don't need it, I'm not gonna go buy it. So I will use this until it's empty, and then we'll invest in some. I realized that we are so good at wasting money. I wanna spend wisely. You know, I always ask myself, like, do I need it or do I want it? And I'm sure some people are like, oh my gosh, she's so stingy, like, it's not being stingy, it's just being more smart about how you're spending, because money is dangerous, y'all. Money can make you happy and depressed at the same time. So anyways, back to makeup. First, before I put this on, I have to kind of outline where everything's gonna be. I need to kind of have a pointy chin. So these cheekbones here need to pop out. What y'all been up to? Like, we're on second lockdown here, so that's fun because people just cannot stay at home. Also, people are just going crazy wearing masks, and I mean, to be honest, like, no one really enjoys wearing the mask, but you just gotta do what you gotta do and be a good citizen, you know? You know, guys, what I was thinking, I should conceal off my eyebrows so it's easier to hide them, because I don't have the glue or anything that people use to get your eyebrows to disappear. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ah, look at that. Alright, you guys, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. You're gonna leave it as it is. Now, with some black face paint, so I have, it's like same brand but just in color black. I'm gonna be outlining my eyebrows. So this one I need a little bit of a smaller brush, so I'm just gonna be using this one. I bought it from Sephora, and this is actually a like an eyeliner brush. So with this brush, I'm just gonna be filling in just the spots that I left out. I guess it's kind of too late, but I made a mistake. I didn't outline the circles for the buttons around my eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I gotta be very gentle. It's quite hard to outline the circles. Somewhat similar, I would say. Got this brush. We're gonna fill it in. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like so far. What I'm gonna do is, for the cracks, I'm just gonna outline it first with some dark shading. So I'm gonna be using these colors to kind of draw the the cracks first and kind of outline them and shadow them. Now I'm gonna go ahead with a black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna highlight on one side. I'm gonna add dots onto the eyes because I'm kind of mimicking the buttons on the character. What I'm doing is I'm using a makeup brush and then I'm using the back of the makeup brush. So with some black paint, I'm just gonna be outlining my lips. So I just wanted to outline my lips. I'm gonna be using black lipstick instead. Alright, now we gotta do the neck. So for the neck, I'm just gonna be outlining the bones first and color in the black. And now I'm gonna be adding the cracks. Alrighty, I just finished painting a little bit more for my chest area. Alright guys, let's see. Am I satisfied with this look? Hard to say because I don't like this. So I'm just gonna fix it a little bit more. Ha! Hello! Alright, so this is the final look. I wish there's some little things that I did a little different, especially my eyes. I wish I made them smaller or at least added some buttons instead. I tried to recreate that button look, but I was not very successful, as you can see. And then also the bones, I wanted to make them kind of 3D, but homegirl was not successful. But that's okay because everything is a learning process. But I will see you guys in the next video. I post videos every Monday, so watch out for the next video on Monday. And please make sure you subscribe onto my channel. English. Comment and like my videos, and also turn on the notification button so you guys know when I'm posting videos next. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.